The pandemic has revealed social inequalities and at the same time our global and community interconnectedness. What has struck you about the pandemic and how will it impact your vision for how you lead into the future?
Look, I don't mean to be flippant about the pandemic, but we have not changed our policy platform one iota because what the pandemic has done is put a magnifying glass on the broken politics we have already inherited. If we had a working healthcare system, if we had a functioning federal government, if we didn't have Donald Trump in the White House, we would have testing kits. The Crow and Northern Cheyenne Reservation would have masks. I mean, what I've seen is that all it does is just show the inequities that we already were living with and that the reason that this campaign was even here in the first place. We obviously need healthcare for all because right now, is it not so clear that the healthcare of our neighbor and the health of our neighbor is directly linked to the health of us and our families? I mean, look, the federal government failed us so bad that our campaign has been donating money and directly negotiating with shippers and manufacturers of masks in China to deliver to care providers in Montana. That is the job of the federal government, not the job of a campaign. And yet we have to do it because when I go to hospitals, I see nurses wearing diapers on their faces. That shows the inequities of the system we had before. And it shows that the pandemic only exacerbates them.